May is certainly turning out to be a much better month than April in terms of warm weather, and we've received a fair share of it this week with the highest temperatures yet today, getting to 26.5, rounds up to 27 for Huntingdon and Faringdon. 26 degrees in many other places, mainly in the south of England as well as in Towcester. Low temperatures this morning down to 5 degrees in Shaftesbury, which is down in the southwest as well, and in Bolter Sound, on the very northern tip of the Shetland Islands. Also, 13 HQ got to 25.1 today. Here's a graphic of all of the related watches and warnings, and there aren't really anything going on, to be honest. There are just a few small flood alerts and a wind advisory in Jersey. So this evening into tonight will look pretty decent with generally clear conditions with a few clouds here and there and in the far north and across the Irish Sea. But some places further north might have a chance of seeing the aurora borealis tonight with geomagnetic activity up. It won't be very windy, but in the far western coast of Ireland it might get a bit breezy over there. So on Saturday we've got a bigger weather front offshore there, but overall during the day it's looking very good once again for almost all of us, with temperatures in Scotland rising up to 24 degrees, possibly even as far up as Inverness, and also across the central belt, although it will be a little bit cloudier and there could be some isolated thunderstorms. 24 degrees also in northern reaches of England and in the northwest, where conditions are looking once again pretty good. Although overall it will be eastern skies that will be the clearest as a rule. In Ireland it will be almost all over the place really. The northeast of Ireland and the southwest are looking like the best areas. Wales will have a partially cloudy day, but should be some good spells for just about everyone. The southwest might be clouded over a little bit more though, and it's the east and southeast that have got the best conditions of the day, although maybe a little bit breezy off the eastern coast, cooling those temperatures down, but a maximum of 25 expected in London. There's the wind parameters, and it will be a little bit breezier further towards the west as well, although it will be a warmer breeze than you'll get along the east coast. Moving into Saturday evening, we've got much more cloud cover moving in from the southwest, from the Atlantic. It's going to be a partly cloudy night, but more cloud than clear skies in most of those areas. And on Sunday, we'll be starting to see some precipitation starting up, and significant possibility for thunderstorms along the western Irish Sea coasts. Also, some heavy rain showers expected in parts of western and northern Scotland. Temperatures will still be getting up to decent values in some places, maybe drawing a line from Inverness down to Glasgow and Edinburgh, getting up to 22 to 23 degrees Celsius. Northern Ireland might get some heavy showers as well during the day, with maximum of 21, and along the eastern coast of the Republic of Ireland, maximums of 24. It will be a very warm day though, with highs of 26 degrees before the rain starts up, and that will be in the later part of the afternoon for most of us, although it will have already started by this 3 p.m. outlook here in the southwest. And when that big mass comes in, temperatures behind it will start to be reduced a little bit, what we call the heat wave breaking down, and you'll see that in just a moment. It will be quite breezy as well on the in front of that phase of weather, so it will be a much breezier day, even though it is actually warmer. So how does the evening transpire? Well, you've got a lot of small-scale rainstorms there, and some thunderstorms as well. There is a possibility for hail too in some parts of North Wales and up into parts of Scotland. And then moving into Monday is going to be a much wetter picture, with a big extratropical cyclone moving in from the southwest there, clearly depicted on this chart, and it will be bringing in much cooler air, so you might still get some decent temperatures on Monday ahead of the line, but when it moves through you'll feel those temperatures drop by about 5 or 6 degrees at least if it's in the middle of the day, and those temperatures will drop from maybe highs of 23 locally down to 16.